Some farmers do complain that their rabbits do not produce enough breast milk to nurse their young ones, and as a result, they normally lose those little bunnies. But with us here is this leaf or weed that is commonly known as the milkweed. This weed help the female rabbits to produce enough breast milk to nurse their young ones. Yes, it is called the milkweed because the weed, when cut, it produces milk-like liquid, as you can see in the video. It produces milk-like liquid, and this liquid helps the female rabbits to produce enough breast milk to that will enable them to nurse their young ones. So we normally feed this weed to our nursing and breastfeeding mother rabbits so that the young ones will continue to grow and do very well. So before feeding these plants to the rabbits, we take a little time to process the plants. What I mean by process the plants is we try to select them, and then we try to remove the parts, that is the roots, cut them out so that the rabbits do not eat the sands and the other particles that are not needed. The weed on its own is a very clean weed. Insects hardly live on them or lay their eggs on them, unlike the normal potato leaves and other plants that we do feed our rabbits. So what we just need is just to cut the roots out, and then the leaf is very clean on its own. As you can see, the some of my rabbits that I do free range have they're already there picking the leaves. They are attracted to it, eating the leaves even before I should I will give it to the ones in the cage, to show you how rabbits love this very plant so much. So it actually helps the mother rabbits to produce enough breast milk to nurse their young ones. So if you have these plants around you, just look at around your environment in your gardens. You can see them there. Why not give your rabbits these plants, and then you see how the mothers will nurse the bunnies very well, especially for rabbits that are just few days old. When you give the mother rabbit this weed, come the next morning, then observe the bunnies, look at their tummies. You see that they are well fed. You see that the tummies do come out very well. Why? Because their mother has produced enough breast milk, and then you see the bunnies, the tummy of these little ones will come out very well because they've been well fed. So as you can also see that even these little ones are also enjoying the plants or the weed on its own. So it's actually nutritious to the rabbits. It's healthy for them. So try to look out for these plants and feed them to your rabbits. So please, if you do enjoy this video, take a brief moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.